Hey guys, welcome back to another car video I brought you. Not sure if this is a 67 or 68 greenish colored Camaro Z28. And it's a beauty, man. I think it's gorgeous. I love these kind of seats in here. It's beautiful, beautiful Camaro, man. Paint is like unbelievable on this thing. It's really gorgeous. It's not yet for sale here, but it's a beautiful car. I keep getting these 67s and 68s mixed up, so they're so close together they look alike. But can't really tell 67 or 68s apart. Maybe you guys can help me out a little bit on that. Leave your comments down below. I think this is going to be an expensive car. They got all some paperwork there with it, but I think this is going to be an expensive car when they put it up for sale, because the body work is just gorgeous on this thing. It says it has a 302 in it. Just a beautiful car. Don't know if it's a real Z28 or not. Might be, might not be. Who knows? I like to pop the hood here if I can. See if I can get underneath the hood here. I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I don't know if I can get the hood open or not for you guys, but don't see the latch here. No, I can't. Latch is too far back in there. But anyway, I'm sure the engine looks really nice on this thing. They wouldn't do all this nice body work on this car without cleaning up the engine or anything. Even if it's not the original engine, which it probably isn't. But this thing is really clean and straight. Chrome's really nice on it. Body works really nice too. You guys leave your comments down below. Hit that little bell for the notification, so every time I put up a video you'll be notified. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the red button in the lower right hand corner and you'll be all set. So this is a pretty nice car channel. This is something I do on the weekends. Go out, film cars, a little bit of hobby of mine, and I make a little money off YouTube, but not a lot. But anyway guys, have yourself a good one. Catch y'all later and drive safe.